Hello guys, welcome back for another video of how to service reset a car. Today I'm going to show you how to service reset a Volkswagen Up 2015. Before I start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Please subscribe to support us, and thumbs up for our videos if you like our videos. As I mentioned, this is a Volkswagen Up 2015. We start with the ignition off. When the ignition is turned off, press the 00 button over here. Turn the ignition on. As you can see, inspection light goes on. Yes, that's the light we are on to reset. Once again, turn the ignition off. Press this button, turn the ignition on, let go, and press the button again for about 20 seconds. It takes about 20 seconds. I'm watching the time. Yes, that should be enough. When I check it, as you can see, there is no inspection light anymore. If you have any questions, you can ask me on the comment area. As I mentioned before, we would appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel to support us, and like our videos if you enjoyed our videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.